This is Kuaile Hanyu 1. We're going to correct in the workbook, lesson number 13, exercises on page number 80 and 81. Okay? The first exercise on page number 80 is choose the right pinyin. Okay? So for these words, the first one, we need to choose. We have here 现, okay? The character 现, 现在. Then we have here 点, okay? The last one, 几. Please check your answers as we are going to continue with the next exercise. Now we have exercise number 2, okay? We have to draw a line between the pinyin and the characters, okay? Pinyin here on the left, characters here on the right. So I'm going to draw here some lines. For example, the first one, 7点, 7 o'clock, remember, okay? Then we have this one, 10点半, 10点半, you realize? It's this one here, okay? 4点半, 4点半, 4:30. So here, I'm going to change the color. Okay, 1点半, 1点半. So here, 1 o'clock, sorry, 1:30. And the next one, 11点, 11点. Change the color here. And the last one, 几点, 几点. Okay? So please check your answers. You can stop the video and check them, okay? Now we continue with the next activity. As you can see here, we have to write these characters, okay? So you can send to me your writing. And here we have also these other characters, okay? And now we have this interesting exercise that I want you to check, okay? Because, for example, here we have these clocks, and we need to say the hour, the time in Chinese, okay? How to say these hours in Chinese. This is the exercise we're going to do now. The first one, for example, we have here, it's 3 o'clock. How do you say 3 o'clock? We say 3点, okay? So I'm going to write the characters and also the pinyin for you. So here you have 3点. If you have written the pinyin, that is correct. If you have written the characters, that is good. If you have written 现在3点, that is also correct, okay? I'm omitting this because this is always the same. You can say 现在3点, or you just leave it this way, okay? 3点, this is the time. Now we have this one. This is 9 o'clock, okay? So remember, 9点. And I'm also going to write here the pinyin for you. Okay, so here we have 9点, okay? And next we have here 8 o'clock. So we say 8点, okay, 8点. Eight o'clock, remember? Here we have 12 o'clock. So 12点, remember 12点. In Chinese, that is how we say 12 o'clock. Okay? So here we have this 12点. And now we continue with this. 10:30. How do we say that? 10点半. 10点半. So we have it here, okay? Remember 10 and a half, okay? Now we have this 7:30. How do we say that? We say 7点半. 7点半. This is 7.5. The last one, we have these two. The first one, 6 o'clock. 6点. Okay, 6 here, o'clock. And this one here, if you realize, is 2, and here we have half, so 2:30. How do we say that in Chinese? Remember, for the time, we don't say R, we say 2点半. Okay, I'm going to write it here for you, so that way you can see it. Okay, remember, 2 when we're expressing the time in Chinese. So you can stop the video, you can check your answers, you can go back, and that way review these contents. Okay, if you have any doubt, now we have the opportunity to solve this.